To insert a graph on Google Sheets, start by selecting the data you want to visualize. This can include numbers, dates, or text, and should be organized in a table format with headers in the first row. Next, go to the Insert menu at the top of the screen and click on Chart. This will automatically create a graph based on the data you have selected. You can then customize your graph by clicking on the 3 vertical dots at the top right corner of the chart and selecting Advanced Edit. This will open the chart editor, where you can change the type of graph, add titles and labels, and modify the appearance of the chart. In the chart editor, you can choose from a variety of graph types, including column, line, and pie charts. You can also add data labels, trend lines, and error bars to make your graph more informative. To make your graph more visually appealing, you can change the colors, fonts, and background of the chart. You can also add a title and axis labels to provide context for your data. Once you have customized your graph, click on the Update button to apply your changes. Your graph will now be inserted into your Google Sheet, and you can move it to any location on the page by clicking and dragging it. Best practices for inserting graphs on Google Sheets include keeping your data organized and up to date, using clear and concise titles and labels, and avoiding clutter and unnecessary information. By following these steps and tips, you can create effective and informative graphs on Google Sheets that help to communicate your data. Insights. It is also important to note that Google Sheets allows you to easily share and collaborate on your graphs with others, making it a powerful tool for data analysis and presentation.